Yes, welcome back to Solar and Wind. This morning I'm having an issue here. I'm having an issue that beeping is coming from low battery power so early in the morning. So I'm going to investigate this situation here. I'm down to 45.8 volts and I'm going to investigate. I think one of my battery cell probably is bad. So I'm going to investigate. Then later on in the day, the beep would go away to say, well, okay, I'm charged up to 48 or even 52. And then overnight, it will just drain right down. So I'm going to investigate this right now. So I'm going to just have to examine the battery bank, measure each cells, and identify the culprit. Okay, got to take this side off to get to the batteries at the bottom. So I'm gonna, yeah. Gotta take this side off to get to the batteries at the bottom. And these are nails, so this one out. Quite a few to come out. Quite a few. Try it open. There's another way I could disconnect everything and then do that, but this is the easiest way. And then instead of nail, I can just use some screws. This one. This is the yeah, so here we are, right at the bottom. Have to examine these batteries right inside here. Have to examine those. We have bad cells. So I'm gonna get along and make my examination, see what's going on here. So need battery in here. Come on. Okay, let me see if I can do a little replacement here for the meter. Let's see if we're back in business. Look as if we're in business. It's at 47%. Try to kick in there. Yeah. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah. Just touch on you. Have to check for slack connection too. Okay. Can't believe it. Why do I have that? Can't believe it.
Of our country, and he's calling for help. I thought he was calling for help. I thought we were doing the right thing.
Oh.
It's not lost on me
Oh.
that this is all taking place. We released this January 6th hearings are unfolding.
I'm in luck. Can Barry took the remote.
Resources being taken out. Do you think going to be folded into or fall into the hands?
Well, I'm in luck. Let's see now. Well, nothing there either. Hmm? Hmm? No, what is it? Is it the meter not working? Hmm? Oh, problem today. Problem today. Problem. That's your week. Alright, do this. One of that. And one of that. See, let's see. What time they open? Well, I have no battery in my meter, so I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some. No.